In this video, I'm going to review the trade that I did for PSX and my stock picking service here at Mindful Trader. You can see that the trade was closed just yesterday on February 27th, and it shows here the different metrics of the trade. And so you can see here the entry price was 124.85. I'm going to go look at a stock chart here for PSX. So you can see this is PSX, it's Phillips 66, and this is a daily chart, meaning each of these price bars represents 1 day of price activity. And the entry price was 124.85. It was on this day right here. And so let's see, I have my cursor just about at the entry price. So this is where the trade entry occurred. And you can see, since we already see what happened in the following bars, that this was a nice little trade. This is a swing trade. The trade is designed to last up to a week. So it's not rapid fire like a day trade, but it's also definitely not a buy and hold type of trade. So it's designed to last up to a week. So we're kind of in and out within a few days typically, or up to a week. And this one went our way, pretty much almost right away after we entered the trade. So the entry was right around here. You can see there's like a little bit of heat we took just initially, and that happens on a lot of the trades. But then it just went our direction. And in fact, it right on this day, which is yesterday, the 27th, that's when it hit the profit target. And the profit target was 128.56. And so here's my cursor is at 128.56, right around here. And you can see it kind of maxed out yesterday at that price and locked in a profit. And I not only did a stock trade, I also did an options trade for it. So I bought call options for it, and it was based on the same signal. So meaning, the entry and the exit were basically at the same place. But the risk and, profitability mechanics are different for options because they're leveraged. So on the option trade, it had a greater return on investment. But if the trade hadn't gone my way, which definitely there are trades that don't go my way, then the loss, the return on investment would have been noticeably worse. Like the percentage loss would have been worse than it would have been for a stock trade. So PSX, I ended up profiting both with a stock trade and an options trade. It was nice to see these PSX victories this particular week because it's been a turbulent week in the market. So it's nice to see some green on a week that has otherwise been red for most of the market. Even in my own trading account, there have been trades that were not profitable this week. And it can be pretty challenging, like weeks like this can be challenging because even if you're trading with like a robust edge, there's still going to be periods where there are losing trades or strings of losing trades. And it can be challenging to live through, especially because there's very real risk involved. My goal here is to follow the data. So rather than making trades based on emotion, I try to let the data do the talking and to infuse each of my trades with as much academic intelligence as I can. So that's how the service here works. That's how the PSX trades performed. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me anytime. My email address is eric, E-R-I-C, @mindfultrader.com.